Okay, we're back on the record. No jury. Ms. Sawyers, you had raised an objection. Is there anything you'd like to put on the record with regard to
Yes,
this
Your Honor. My
line of
understanding is
questioning?
there are certified copies of convictions for an individual, and these have not been provided me in discovery. Mr. English is certainly aware of my email. We've scanned and emailed things to people left and right, so I was entitled to them. They were not provided. I've asked him on multiple occasions about discovery provided to him, and when we discussed Chief Sarver, I discovered that via the online documentation, not by discovery from him until I brought the issue up and then asked for the internal investigation on that one. So there's been an extreme lack of discovery here.
Mr.
All the information I'm dealing with is for rebuttal, Your Honor, and there's no clear requirement on rebuttal for me to provide evidence on rebuttal. The sole purpose of this document is rebuttal.
Your Honor, it's reciprocal discovery.
Huh?
It's reciprocal discovery. I'm
Well,
entitled to that.
yeah, but rebuttal evidence, where in the rule does it require him to provide what he anticipates might be rebuttal evidence?
Your Honor, the rules require reciprocal discovery. As I said, Chief Sarver
Reciprocal
wasn't even-
discovery, meaning he's got to give you things that the rule requires disclosure for. Reciprocal just means if he asks for it, he's got to give you what he's required to give you. His argument, and it may be a valid one, is that I don't have to give her stuff that I might anticipate I might have to use as rebuttal. There's a difference.
Your Honor, I don't believe it's
So-
rebuttal evidence. I think it was reciprocal and I was entitled to it. I just want to note that for the record.
Okay. The other argument, the other point you just raised, though, I thought he showed you where he had already provided you Sarver's involvement in the email yesterday in Chambers.
Your Honor, that was after I specifically emailed him, indicated that I saw he had subpoenaed Chief Sarver, and could I ask why? And when he called me, he indicated he had a report, and I said, well, I have not seen it. Then he provided it when I told him I had not seen it.
And again, rebuttal. That's why I called him as a witness.
It's not rebuttal if it's a witness, Your Honor.
If he doesn't answer my question.
Okay. Have you seen what he has
I have
alluded
not,
to?
Your Honor.
Huh?
No.
All right, let her see him.
Your Honor, one of these is from 1999. I would object to that. And the other one does not have a complaint with it, so I have no way of knowing what the charge is. Do you have a indictment or complaint to tell me what it is?
Yes.
Well, could I see everything in your possession, Mr. English, please?
Let me see him.
This is 1999, and this is looks like a 15 case number, but there's no, this is 08. That's 15, so I don't have anything on those but that. And this 15 says dismissal entry. TRD. Charge dismissed due to plea negotiation agreement in case number TRD, which is, I'm assuming, a traffic case. It's a misdemeanor muni court. Are these more that I should be?
No.
What's a dispo sheet?
Yeah, it doesn't say what the charge is or anything.
Is this their
Sorry.
is this their Rule 32
Yes, yes,
judgment of conviction?
yes.
But I don't know what the charge is, Your Honor.
Actually, really,
They're sent to prison.
Plea to indictment, but I don't know what type of drugs, and I think that's certainly relevant, Your Honor.
What else?
this is it.
And that's a dismissal,
TRD with 4C. TRD is a traffic case in
municipal court.
4C. What's this have to do with anything?
It's possession and traffic court. He was possessing it during a traffic stop. But the reality is this. I can ask the question. Yes, if she answers no, I'm stuck with it. Yeah. I'm not sure what the issue is.
Right. Right. Whose are these? Yours?
Fine,
Yeah, they would be
Okay,
yours.
he can ask the question. We're not getting into any of that, too.
Right.
All right.
Your Honor, and I'd ask, not the 1999 one, that is way old.
I'm not even on date. It's a general question.
It is relevant as to age, Your
No,
Honor.
I'm saying the question is a general question. I'm not going to ask dates.
It could be prejudicial if that's what the only one he's referring to is from
No, he's
1999.
got-
Well, I don't have these, Mr. English.
Point is,
We're gonna
it
see
is-
what her answer is, and we'll go from there. All right, anything else to put on the record before we bring the jury back?
Your Honor, just note my objection to the record. I don't know if you need me to do a continuing one at this point, at least until I see some documentation.
Okay, well, I anticipate he's gonna present a question. I've allowed the question, and then we'll go from there.
And once the jury sits down, I'll move this back so it's out of their viewpoint.
Okay. All right, let's bring the jury back.
All right. Please be seated.
Okay, folks, welcome back. Mr. English, you may resume your questioning.
Ms. Allen, we left off, and you told the jury that Jamal McLaughlin was your living boyfriend. And my follow-up question is, were you aware that he has been convicted on multiple occasions for possessing cocaine?
No.
You weren't aware of that?
No.
Are you aware, well, actually, you're involved in a lawsuit against Turnkey Development. You recall that?
Objection
I filed
relevant.
Response?
My next set of questions goes to credibility and specific instances of truthfulness. She, in court, under oath, admitted to fraudulently using a debit credit card that was entrusted in her possession.
I have none of this.
If
None.
When I ask her, then we'll see what she says. It's rebuttal. I mean, you think I'm gonna give you my whole case? No.
What are you gonna ask her?
Whether she admitted under oath that she fraudulently used a debit credit card.
Okay, you're stuck with her answer.
Yeah. No, I have a certified document.
which have not been again provided to me, Your
And
Honor.
it
I'm
becomes
just going to
relevant
note that
when
for the record.
If she says no.
This is not a criminal charge, Your Honor.
She's your witness. He's allowed to attack her credibility.
Through the appropriate means and the rules of evidence, Your Honor, and this is not one of them.
Which one am I violating?
Right, hold on.
I've done my research.
Specific instances
Wait,
of truthfulness.
What he's saying
Credibility,
surely would
history.
be 6 what?
Pardon me?
6 what?
6 what? I'm sorry.
Which evidence rule? 6-0?
It's credibility and specific instances. 607.
Which is then disclosable to me, Your Honor.
Actually, I think it was 7. Actually, I think it's 706. Isn't it 706 for credibility and specific instances of untruthfulness?
That's expert stuff. That's expert stuff. So,
Mm-hmm. Is with regards to expert.
I mean, 6 yeah.
huh?
No, I'm sorry. These uncles of credibility and specific instances of truthfulness, which I'm allowed to go into.
Convictions of a crime of untruthfulness or a felony level offense, yes.
So you tell me lying under oath, committing a crime. Yeah, using
Just that she's admitted to.
credibility, specific instances of truthfulness.
You can inquire into it. What do you have to impeach her if she says
The court documents where the court says she admitted to doing those things.
What document?
Decision of the court.
Which
In what
court?
kind of case?
A civil lawsuit in the Franklin County Court of Common Pleas, in an order and a decision, specifically says she admitted that she used his credit card fraudulently and was ordered to pay, reimburse for
Is
the
this a
amount.
civil case?
Yes,
or-
Yes.
it's a civil case. Credibility isn't civil or criminal. It's not the standard. Anything that the jury can draw in the question of her credibility is admissible.
All right. What's your objection?
I would like to see this, and I think the court at least is
Yeah,
entitled to an
let's
in-camera
see it.
inspection of
Pardon?
this.
Let's see it.
Because if it's not accurate, it's
Okay,
prejudicial.
okay.
Yes, I would to read this because, one, this is a decision, so that means it's a magistrate. Do we have the judgment entry adopting it? Was there an objection?
Yes, it's all in there. Judgment
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take another recess here. I'm going to send you out for another 10 minutes. Please do not talk about the case among yourselves or with anyone else. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Let's bring this all back.
Oh, go ahead.
Mom.
Man, I ain't leaving. Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
No, this is a criminal. You can't look at people.
I might have been watching you because I'm afraid.
I understand, but she's trying to make something happen. That's what she does. She's gonna try to make it look like, oh, they're being intimidated or doing something. That's what she does. It's all in the paperwork.
Ready to stand up?